This is Aztec Auto Sound, and today we are going to be unboxing the Kicker L7S 15-inch Solo-Baric subwoofer. The original squared subwoofer. This 15-inch subwoofer is equipped with a dual 4-ohm voice coil. Of course, the square Solocon polypropylene cone. It's got a cast aluminum basket. So on the top of the box there is a template for making your own subwoofer box. And of course you get kicker stickers and the owner's manual. The power handling for this subwoofer is rated at 1000 watts RMS with peak power of 2000 watts. That is a lot of power. Its frequency response is 18 to 100 hertz with a sensitivity of 88.56 decibels. So here are the owner's manual and the stickers that come in the box again. And this thing is massive. Look at this beautiful product. Its mounting depth is 8 11/16 inches. Serious piece of hardware. If you're interested in amazing kicker products like this, check us out at aztecautosound.com. Follow us on Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. You can always come in person at our location, 5600 East Truman Road in Kansas City, Missouri. Thank you. Have a great day.